Continue on, Garth.
Yes.
Alright, he's cutting around the plant.
I need some staples so I can staple this corner.
Need some staples.
I'll get it.
You better get it. I'm busy. What am I paying you for if you don't? I mean, that's wasting time. How much time did you waste over there?
I do everything you told me to do for the bowling.
I know, but
so it's a week at a time.
But you're working for me.
Yeah, well, we'll see who's working for who next
week. He's working 9 to 5. What a way to make a living, barely getting by. So you cut around the tree or the bush, whatever. Very simple, easy. Anybody can do it. You don't need to hire anybody to do this crap. All right, that's pretty simple.
People going by.
What are you doing, Mike?
Well, as little as possible.
Putting staples in.
Yeah.
Overlapped it 3 inches.
Let's see. Probably more than that.
Yeah, that's good. That's okay.
That's about 12 inches.
Yep. It's just work. That's all. I don't know how long ago they put that hose under there, but it still works.
It's about to break.
Huh?
It's so brittle I can break it.
Yeah, that's been out there for 20 years probably. Still works.
Yeah. And after all, more tea.
More mulch. Is that 7 bags?
Yeah. We were at. Could be. Maybe yes, maybe no. There was weeds this high underneath that.
Yeah. This hose right here was here by the previous owners, and it goes all the way across the driveway over there where the bus is, and it still works. I don't know how long ago they did that, but it works. Kind of funny, and we did the same thing with our hoses. Put them underground, we buried them.
But we're going to replace them.
Yeah, we'll do it right, but we did that just to, anyway, it goes all along here.
We're going to put 1 1/4 PVC pipe for a sprinkler system.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do it right. This is just a quick fix instead of dragging hoses all over the place. So we put a lot of staples, I mean a lot, as you can see, all along here. Lots of them. And we'll be putting more mulch right in front there as soon as Mike gets off his ass and gets busy. What are you barking at? Stop barking.
See what's out here.
So Mike's going to put some more mulch back in there for this corner.
I need it.
Here, we didn't even know it was there. It was all covered up. Well, we knew it was there, but it was all covered up. It almost drowned it out with weeds and bushes and all kinds of stuff. You hear that road? That's one of the reasons we put those trees right there that will grow. There's emerald green abrevades or something like that. They'll grow 15 feet tall. So we'll be blocking a lot of the sound out, and we'll have our own little Shangri-La in here. And after we're dead and gone, somebody will really enjoy this place. Probably well, we don't have any kids or anything, so we'll probably give it to Nancy Pelosi so she can put a wall up around the place. Need another bag. It's a lot of bags.
Those roses look nice.
Yeah, they do. Yeah, they're beautiful.
Vito couldn't believe that they're blooming again.
Well, look at that tree it's blooming back there.
I guess that's what happens when you water.
Yeah. Everything needs life.
Just like a human being, they need water. You don't water a person, you can't grow.
Now he's laying the rocks out. That's going to take a lot of bags. That'll be good, I think. It'll hold the mulch in, and we can drive on the rocks where the line is, so we can mow the grass nice. Right?
Yeah. That was a vision in my head.
Was that like sugar plums?
It is.
Sugar plums dancing in your head? Alright, that's enough for now, right?
It's getting too dark, can't see. So that's good enough for now. We'll film tomorrow, daylight.
I've always dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no difference, so look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am. Caught in the palm, no backup plan. So baby, cut yourself loose. cause a little trouble. Don't shed a tear, keep that sunny smile from ear to ear. And baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.